Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to download and install Java on Windows 11. First thing, go to oracle.com/java and then click the download Java button. You will see the latest version JDK 23. Under the Windows section, click 64 installer to download the exe file. Now go to your downloads folder and double-click the downloaded file. The Java installation wizard will open. Click Next. Leave default options as they are and click Next again. Wait for the installation to complete, then click Close. This allows you to run Java from any folder in the command prompt. Open File Explorer and go to C, Program Files, Java, JDK/bin. Copy the full path of the bin folder. Now search environment variables in the Start menu and open Edit the System Environment Variables. Click Environment Variables. Under System Variables, select Path and click New, then pass the path you copied earlier. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.